Hi, it's Larry Kearney. Welcome to my demo of the new Chrome extension called PLR LongTail Lighthouse. Now, everyone needs to have low competition, high hit keywords. Now, here's a way to get 500 keywords at a time in any niche with one click and instantly. This system uses Google, Bing, and YouTube autocomplete to pull the data, things that people are searching for normally in conversations. So this happens like in two seconds. And also, most people are using software, paying $100, $200 a month to find keywords. This system will allow you to get hundreds of keywords in any niche. And I'm going to demonstrate it right now with this plugin here. So when you click the button, I just have one search already in here: how to make money online. This is going to search, auto search, Google, Bing, and YouTube. It has other types of searches from A to Z search. You got 0 to 9 and a few other ones. Now I'm gonna hit the button here to get it started. Harvest. It's set at 500 max. Okay, now it loads the keywords down here. You could copy all of them, copy all the suggestions, or you can also say, well, you only want keywords that are at least 7 words long or more. So now 7. You want even longer keywords, so this is going to show only keywords that are 8 words long. So these are really long, and a lot of these words you'll see that they have traffic. You check them out with other software to see what kind of traffic they get. But the point is that these are low competition keywords. You could do it, and you could run it all day. You can run multiple lines if you want per line. I'm only doing one line, so this is the easy way to get quality long tail keywords. Everyone talks about long tail keywords, but they don't give you an easy way cheap way to get them. So this is the way, and as I said before, you can copy them, or you can export them as a CSV file, and then you could go through it at your leisure. So this is Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my demo, and make sure you click the link below to get it while it's at its lowest price. Okay, thanks a lot, and make sure you click the link below.